Hey guys, it's lash day for me and I'm using my wing click that I always do. These are the habit ones. I just took off the midi, which I love, but these ones just have a little bit more fullness to them, so I'm gonna go back to these ones for this week. So right now I'm just prepping my lashes. I take off the little adhesive from the back, and then I go ahead and put on my new adhesive for my lashes. And I let that get a little tacky, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put them on. I'm in the midst of putting on my makeup, but I thought, let's stop, put on the lashes. So these were the ones I had on last week, and I do have an extra set. I love them, but I'm going for a little more drama this week, and we can all use a little drama to start 2023 off right. So it does take a minute to get used to putting them on, but once you get it down, it goes really quickly. And they last for 7 to 10 days, so you're only doing it like once a week. All right, I have them on, and now I'll just let them go for 7 to 10 days. How I keep them clean is I use the Wink Click foaming cleanser. It will take off your makeup and everything else, but it will not affect the adhesive on these eyelashes. So you don't have to worry about them. You can clean them and they'll stay on. So anyways, if you're interested in them, go to the link in my bio. I have them linked there. All right, bye guys.
Here's the finished look. What do you think?